All right, going to be doing a market pre-market analysis for today on NQ. So overall, looking pretty good actually. Are ready to start. For starters, like I always start on news, and today we have quite a bit of news. We have PMI and JOLTS jobs at 10 a.m., which is a terrible time for this. I do not like that at 10, so I might try and get a quick scalp in before that happens, but I don't like how that looks. So, but overall, pretty good setup already. Today we had Asia session highs get swept. London session did absolutely nothing today. That's the worst price action I've seen from Asia session in a long time, but it ended up closing as bullish. So we're going to be looking for a reversal there. And then we have Asia session highs, and then this kind of in between high between when New York session and Asia session open. So all that got swept. We see we barely swept that high. We're within some nice bearish order blocks on the high time frame. Obviously, we're within this. We're just above this bearish order block. We are within this bearish order block right here. So a couple areas where price is already showing that it's going to go down. So, and we do have this hourly imbalance. I don't really think that price is going to really go for that. We do have a pretty major draw of liquidity down here, this low from Asia session. So that's going to be, I think, a pretty valid target. And then we have a bunch of liquidity down here left from London session. And London session, like I said, did absolutely nothing. You can consider that or that. The London session, though, either way, some pretty strong draws of liquidity here. Dropping down on the smaller time frame, we already saw a slight market structure shift here. So we generated this low right here. And then we got a complete closure below it, and we are retracing back up. That was after liquidity was swept. So a decent amount of bullish imbalance left. We already filled actually most of it in right here. This was kind of all I was looking at. And then it got partially filled in. But like I said, I don't know how I feel with JOLTS jobs and PMI being at 10 in the morning. Usually I think it is at 10 in the morning PMI. So it's not like abnormal, but I'm not liking the way that looks right now. So we're going to probably, I don't know if I want to take the day off of trading, but we're going to keep an eye on the market. It's just not the best for sure today. Look at news later this week. Fuck me to cheers. Last time there was FOMC meetings, did not go well. I'll tell you that. Tomorrow might be a little better. Thursday's looking good. Friday is just not. Okay. Wow, okay, we have a lot of news this week for it being the first fucking week I want to come back trading, so. Whatever. London session, it gave us absolutely nothing. I mean, I didn't even mark out the highs of London session. I mean, this is useless. I looked at this on my phone while I was at the gym this morning, and I was like, what the fuck is this? This is terrible. Didn't even fluctuate $100. God damn. 70. Fluctuated $70. God damn, dude. London session did nothing today. Okay, so we're going to be looking for a short today. Yesterday, I was also looking for a short, and clearly, well, we got that in at a PM session, so we didn't really get that this afternoon, but we did, okay, I don't know what that's about, and I don't know what that's about, but we did end up getting it, but that was, well, okay, because I was going fucking Picasso up here. What's going on here? But, I guess, yeah, I mean, this was definitely where I was looking. This internal highs right here that we swept during London, right at the end of London session, moving into New York session. I thought we would get a good reaction off of it. We did, but that was very late in the day. That wasn't until noon, or 11 o'clock noon. We didn't start getting a reaction to the downside, so obviously I'm not trading at 11:30, so that's not happening. But, yep, market open. So I'll come back here. I just lost my little thing. Okay, it's back. So I'll come back here if I find something. It's going to be at least another 10 minutes before I take a trade. So just to let the market settle with all these orders coming in. So we'll see how this goes. But that's pretty much it for market analysis today. Looking bearish, looking for a short. We already swept some pretty important highs Asia session, and then some like third party highs, I guess you could put it. So we'll see how this goes.